Welcome back to Nuts and Bolts. We've got a 2023 International MV with a Cummins ISB in the shop today. The driver's complaining that none of the cab switches are responding. We confirmed customer complaint, none of the switches are working. We hook up our diagnostic tool and find an available software update for the switch pack module. We flash the latest firmware to the system, but the switches remain completely unresponsive. Since software didn't solve it, we pull the switch pack out and test the circuits directly. Our meter verifies clean 12-volt power and solid grounds reaching the harness plug, confirming an internal hardware failure. With the wiring verified, we unbox a brand new OEM switch pack assembly, snap it into place, and plug the multiplex harness securely into the rear. We fire up the truck and retest every single switch. The backlights illuminate immediately, and all cab functions respond perfectly. Subscribe to Nuts and Bolts for more daily commercial diagnostics.